What if I told you that the exercise most seniors rely on for their health might actually be slowing their progress? I know, sounds crazy coming from a surgeon, right? But after reviewing new research from Europe and Harvard's longevity lab, I had to rethink everything I thought I knew about walking for adults over 60. Here's the truth. There are 5 simple movements that can do more for your strength, balance, and lifespan than hours of walking ever could. And one of them, number 1, has been shown to reverse cellular aging markers by over 40%. Stay with me, because once you see how they work, you'll never look at exercise the same way again. Before we dive in, I want you to do one quick thing. Tell me in the comments, how old are you and where are you watching from? I read every single one and I love hearing your stories. All right, let's get started, because these next 5 moves could quite literally decide whether you'll be walking strong at 80 or needing a cane by 70. Number 5, wall push-ups with hold. Looks simple, right? But according to the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity, seniors who practiced this for just 8 weeks boosted upper body strength by over 30%, far better than regular push-ups or light weights. Here's why that matters. After 60, you naturally lose about 3% of muscle each year. That's what makes daily things, like lifting groceries or catching yourself when you trip, suddenly harder. So stand an arm's length from a wall, palms flat, lean in slowly, pause for 3 seconds, and push back out. That brief hold, it triggers a strength response deep inside your chest, shoulders, and even your core. The same pattern your body uses in real-life movement. Do this 3 times a week, and you'll notice steadier hands, stronger arms, and better reaction time, which means fewer falls. Number 4, seated leg lifts with resistance. And don't let the word seated fool you. This one's powerful. Research from the Archives of Physical Medicine showed it improves walking speed by 28% and stair climbing ability by nearly 45%. Why? Because it targets your hip flexors and quadriceps, the very muscles that help you stand, walk, and stay independent. Sit tall in a sturdy chair. Lift one leg straight out, hold for 2 seconds, then lower it slowly. Add a resistance band or light ankle weight as you improve. This move retrains each leg individually, correcting the muscle imbalances that walking alone never fixes. And remember, even small, steady progress here means a stronger step and longer life. Number 3, standing heel raises with balance. It may look easy, but this is your secret weapon against falls. Your calves act like a second heart, pumping blood back up to your brain and keeping your balance sharp. Studies from the National Institute on Aging found that seniors with stronger calves were 70% less likely to need assisted living. Here's how. Stand behind a chair, rise up on your toes, hold for 3 seconds, then lower slowly. That simple motion boosts circulation, coordination, and even brain oxygen flow. Try it. You'll feel steadier within weeks. Number 2, modified squats to chair. This one is about reclaiming independence. The Stanford Longevity Center found that seniors who practiced this move 3 times a week regained the strength to stand up from any seat without help and reduced knee pain by nearly 60%. Start with a sturdy chair behind you. Lower yourself down slowly, just until you lightly touch the seat. Then stand back up, pushing through your heels. That single pattern, sit to stand, predicts your mobility and longevity better than almost any medical test we have. And the best part? You're not just training muscles, you're retraining your brain to move with confidence. Finally, the one that changed everything, the bird dog hold. It's the most powerful full-body, brain-body exercise I've ever prescribed. Harvard researchers found that people over 60 who practiced it just 4 times a week improved balance by 80%, core strength by 90%, and even grew new brain tissue in regions tied to memory and coordination. Start on hands and knees. Extend one arm forward and the opposite leg back. Hold. Breathe slowly. Keep your hips steady. Then switch sides. This simple diagonal balance activates both sides of your brain at once, literally rewiring neural pathways to keep your body younger, longer. It's more than exercise. It's longevity in motion. So here's the bottom line. Walking is good, but it's not enough anymore. These 5 movements build strength, balance, and even brain power in less than 25 minutes a few times per week. Start today, right where you are. Your body doesn't care how old you are, it only cares that you move. Now tell me, which of these 5 will you start with first? Drop your answer below. I'll be reading every comment, reminding you, it's never too late to rebuild your strength and live like you're 40 again.